So hello, it's been a while since I made an update video on my layout, so here it is. In the past few months I haven't done that much, but I've only focused on a couple of aspects. The greenery on the two ends of the layout, and populating the platforms. So I added here on one end some green, some fence, two guys riding their bikes, and also over here I added the wall and some green going over it and on this side. And then on the other end over here, it's a little bit smaller, again another guy biking and two people taking pictures, of course, of the trains. And also I've added all this wall here. We'll put some mold and some greens, and basically that's it. I've also added here the buildings, but they're just not finished yet. I just took them out of the boxes and put them there. So more or less this is how they will look like. Of course I will need to paint them and make them look nicer, but this is how they will be arranged, more or less. There are Tomytecs, and most of them are Tomytecs, except this one on the corner, which is a KATO building. So the other thing that I did is populating the platforms. I think I put around 400 little people all over the place, and I've also added some structures also from Tomytecs, I believe. Yes, they're all Tomytecs, and some KATO also, like shops, vending machines, benches, bigger shops, and all the waiting rooms and all those things. You see all these people. The little figures also are from Tomytecs, most of them, because they are the best looking one and the cheaper one compared to the KATO ones. And in the back, you see there, over there, they are not so good looking, but who cares, because they're in the back, and they are from another brand, which I don't remember. I put it down in the description below. So you see all these people there. It took me a few days to put them. It's a bit tedious work, but it definitely looks good, because it makes the platforms alive and definitely better looking. And here, the last two. Okay, so more or less the work on this side is done. I know I could also put like the boards and signals, so and also the overhead electrical catenary, but it's probably, I might do it eventually, but at the moment I'm not planning on do it. The one thing that I need to focus now on is this part, building the city, the streets, putting signals, cars, and painting and making the buildings look nicer, of course. So yeah, that's the update for now.